Hi everyone, this is a video presentation presented by Group 4 from Section 5 about the AirAsia case study. First, let me introduce the group members, the leader Li Ziyuan, and members Ham Jingyi, Lo Yu Chong, myself Ti Hui Yu, and also KHOR Yongxin. We will first discuss about the trends in the global airline industry. The first point is the passenger experience and Internet of Things, IoTs. The most commonly used IoTs in aircraft businesses are the networks of intelligence sensors equipped technologies, where function to generate movement data and share the information obtained throughout the production and management lines. The IoT is widely used in the production line, aircrafts, airports, and more, such as the baggage tracking and transporting system, passenger check-in system, security check, aircraft maintenance and repairing, communications of workers in the airports, arrangements of flight takeoff and landing, and more. Usage of IoTs will reduce the cost used by speeding up the maintenance of the aircraft and reduce the burden of air traffic in the airport, and in other words, saving passengers costs of travel.
Augmented reality and virtual reality are also a latest trend in the airline business. These two technologies have changed how the airline business works. So, I'm going to show you how VR and AR can improve the airline business. Let's talk about VR first. Actually, VR can be used to simulate the real-world situation for the young pilot and the young cabin crew to do their training. What you see here in the first picture is a young pilot using a VR headset to do the piloting training. Then the second picture is showing how the cabin crew can learn how to do their work using a VR simulation. Then AR also help airline business a lot. What you see here is a pilot wearing a AR headset to access information like weather, traffic in real time. Then the next thing you see here is how AR help the airline business to effectively sort the luggage and the cargo to the right place. Then the VR and AR also can be used to improve the customer experience of the airline business. The customer can use the VR to watch movie or watch drama. Then they can also use the AR to play game when they are on the flight. So VR and AR really help the airline business around. And here are the few benefits that I mentioned just now.
The next trend that we are going to talk about is robotic revolution and automation. This is the first trial baggage robot in Geneva Airport to help passengers drop their luggage or bag. The robot can display the boarding gate and departure time for the passenger after they scan their boarding pass. Next, this is the second generation robot in Incheon Airport, Korea. It can speak in English, Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. It can also navigate the passengers to their respective destination by human walking speed. However, his camera on his back can sense the speed of the passenger, whether he is going too fast or too slow, and adjust accordingly. So both the robots are the trend used in the airline industry. After we finish talking about the robots, now we are going to consider this situation. Situation 1, when the flight is going to the destination, so how to detect the weather condition. Situation number 2, how to prevent the collision. From the example of situation mentioned just now, the air traffic control system uses various automation to detect those things as we can see in this figure. For example, the weather data, the global positioning system, and so on. Besides, Flight Management System (FSM) is a system to automate the in-flight tasks and job of pilots, air hosts, and manage the sensor to determine the position of flight. In short, with the growth in air travel, robotic revolution and automation is the demand to make the job done efficiently and accurately. Manpower that needs a larger cost can be reduced.
The next trend is humanizing the experiences through artificial intelligence (AI). The most common one is AI chatbot, which can resolve passengers' queries such as flight information, refunds, baggage, booking changes, travel notice, and common queries. According to CITA research in 2019, 64% of the passengers in China prefer digital travel concierge, and 43% of airlines in China have AI-driven chatbot customer service, and its market is expected to touch $2.2 billion by 2025. In Malaysia, the AI chatbot used in MAST is called AirAsia, which is an interactive Facebook Messenger robot. The AI chatbot used in AirAsia is called YUAN. Both of them designed to interact with passengers and assist them. This will improve passengers' experiences. The last point is enabling frictionless travel with biometrics.
Biometric technology is a technology used to identify a person based on some of their biological aspects. The types of biometrics are the physical biometrics and the behavioral biometrics. The example of the behavioral biometrics are the keystroke recognition, voice recognition, speaker identification, signature recognition, and the gait recognition. The gait recognition is the recognition based on the manner of walking. The example of the physical biometrics are the iris recognition, retina recognition, face recognition, fingerprint identification, finger vein identifications, and palm vein authentication. As we all know, there are DNA tests, blood tests, saliva tests, and urine tests. Well, that is for the biological analysis for medical teams and police forensic. There are some advantages of using biometrics. The human characteristic collected is universal, unique, permanent, recordable, measurable, and most importantly, it is forgery-proof. This is the facial recognition technology used in Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. While this is also used in that airport.
Next, we discuss about the aircraft businesses. The examples of three types of aircraft business are full-service carrier, low-cost carrier, and cargo airlines. The first one is full-service carrier. It will offer passengers in-flight entertainment, checked baggage, meals, beverage, and comforts. The characteristics of full-service carriers include multi-class cabins, alliances, more extensive routes and schedules, airport lounges, loyalty programs, provide more inclusions, special corporate deals, and generally higher fares.
The second type of the airline business is low-cost carrier. It offers a cheaper price to the customer and also offers a variety of upgrades. What you see on the right side here is the list of upgrades available in nowadays low-cost carrier. The example of the famous low-cost carrier is AirAsia, Indigo, SpiceJet, and etc.
The last but not least, the cargo airline. The cargo business represents 12% of the global airline revenue. The cargo airline either solely or primarily focus on the air transportation of cargo or freight. Some cargo airlines are subsidiaries or subdivisions of passenger airlines. It is said that the emerging e-commerce will contribute to the cargo airline business. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.